guys, welcome back to my channel. So grateful to have you here. Just want to say thank you for all of you guys that have been supporting my channel from the beginning of time, and all of my new subbies that I have been joining me on my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing a trampoline workout, a beginner's trampoline workout. So we're going to do a lot of basic moves with this workout. But if you are ever looking for more videos, more trampoline rebounder workout videos, be sure to check out my website. I've been spending a lot of time with my clients in my trampoline program. So you get access to over 3.5 hours worth of videos, and they're yours to keep. You get one-on-one attention from me. You get a customized plan, all that good stuff. So make sure you check out the website if you feel like you want more. All right. But we're going to go ahead and get started with this 15-minute workout. So I'm going to be using my Jump Sport trampoline program. And I'm also thinking about possibly doing a trampoline challenge. If that's something that you might be interested in, go ahead and comment down below challenge for 2025, because I think that it might be good. I have a really cool, good idea. It'll be a free challenge, so it won't cost anything, but I would love to possibly do a trampoline/rebounder workout challenge with you guys. But let me stop blabbing and let's go ahead and get this video started.
This is for my mother club heads, you feel me? People, gangsters and pimps and people smoking and lethal reefers. Up in the club with speakers, hi-hats and bass and beaters. DJs is dropping leaders, sweat till I catch a fever. Call me the illest diva. Yo, I'm on fire! People go ahead and drink up, get in the club, get fucked up. See me, you gotta get looked up, someone to touch and rub up. Show me some love, strip off your clothes and take off your socks.
Grab it from the back, baby, you the Mac, and you know that.
Up in the club with speakers, hi-hats and bass and beaters. DJs is dropping needles, sweat till I catch a fever. Call me the realest diva. Yo, I'm on fire! People go ahead and drink up, get in the club, get fucked up. See me, you gotta get looked up, someone to touch and rub up. Show me some love, strip off your clothes and take off your socks.
Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a key for the bong bong bong. Your body kakara, make a bong 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 on a make it. Kilo fait on my deck, chocolate. Fine fine, oh baguette. Watch your love for like it. Wine I'm on my deck. Your body chocolate. Bush it ready, yeah, in my deck. Double dose, kilo fait. Wine now, my lady.
That's why blessings upon me, and that's why I'm gonna give him the top of the green. I'm delighted. Jah knows I'm a person ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a poison. Blessings all for my life. But I'm good for the journey, the earning, the dust to the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings all for my life. Cause I toast with the friends, but they come to be Lord one time. Sit down in a class, I'm important. Only sit the road and make one with the road. To us, yeah.
outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride at it die. Gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta, just the one I'm really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, ride and die. Gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in an
AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride. Gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion. Girl, I guess that must be you. Body like the summer, touch